Hi there. Previously my Mac had this minimization effect. This is called Genie Effect. I really liked it. But now, the settings have been changed, and the effect is not working at all. As you can see, the sudden jump and drop down of the window. But I want my Genie Effect back. So, let's fix it. Go to Settings, Desktop and Dock. Come to Minimize Windows Using. And change your option to Genie Effect. And now it's again working with Genie Effect. So, this is how you can simply get your Genie Effect back. Hope this helped you. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.